Hello everyone and welcome to Zach the Traveling Man. This is a stateroom tour of a standard balcony cabin. I'm actually on deck 15 on the Carnival Mardi Gras. This is its inaugural sailing, so the first time this room's ever been stayed in or reviewed. So we'll start here at the door. The Mardi Gras does have the same lighting system that the Vista class ships have, where you have to have a key card or some other type of card. I actually have just a standard business card here for my channel. It has to be in here so that the lights will stay on. Otherwise, when you open the cabin door and leave, the lights will cut off. It also has a new air conditioning system. You can adjust the air up or down with just a simple touch of the button. I like to leave my room on as cool as it'll go. And if you want to boost all the way to that cold setting, maybe you left it a little bit warmer throughout the day and you come in and you cut it all the way down to the coolest setting, you can turn on the boost button. And you'll hear that the fan does get a little bit faster. The air gets a little bit cooler so that it cools the room down quicker. Now, as soon as you walk into this room, you will notice closets. These are just standard closets like on most of the Carnival ships. The safe is located in the closet on the Mardi Gras, and it is just about the standard safe. I think it's about the same size as what you see on the other ships. You do need to have either some sort of card you can swipe to lock it here, or you can also create a 3 to 6 digit code as well. They also have some racks for storage here, maybe to put some shoes in or to fold some clothes and put in here and just act as additional drawers. Then in this closet, you actually have space to hang some clothes. You have additional bedding if you need it. You also have a full-length mirror so that you can check yourself before you head out for elegant night. Now, right behind the closets, right when you walk in the cabin door, you'll find the bathroom. And this bathroom is updated and a little bit different than what we see on other Carnival ships. First of all, look at the shower in this bathroom. You have a full glass door. It's a full glass shower on the Carnival Mardi Gras. The door opens out so that you can step in. And there's actually a lot more room in this shower than in other Carnival ships. I'll get in and go all the way to the back wall and shut the door just so you can see the amount of space that you have in this shower. It's a lot different than those with the shower curtains that will sometimes cling to you while you're taking a shower. And standing in the other corner, you'll see a lot of space in the shower. I've been very, very pleased with how spacious the shower is. The sink in the sink area is quite small. But here's the sink. It is very nice. I enjoy the look and feel of the bathroom. I also enjoy the layout of it. It's a little bit different than what we see on the Vista and Dream class ships, but it is very nice. Also, when you cut the light out in the bathroom, it keeps this little night light on at all times. So when you shut the door, you see you get some sort of light in there. So if you come to the bathroom in the middle of the night and you don't want to turn the light on and wake someone else in the cabin up, you can just open the door and it has the little night light on. Of course, here hanging just outside the bathroom is your snoozing privacy please sign. That's standard for Carnival ships. And you also have your breakfast menu that you can put outside for room service. You can pick what time you want to eat breakfast, what you want to eat, and all sorts of other selections that you can make. So now heading into the room, the bed here, and I have the configuration 2 twin beds made into a king bed, or what Carnival calls a king bed. One of the cool new features of the bedrooms is this little nightstand here. You have room you can set maybe a phone, set some other things. I like to set a bottle of water down here at night, my phone and my glasses up here. You also have these reading lights on the side which pop out and twist, and you can adjust it to get the right amount of light that you need to read when you're in bed. You also have USB ports here just beside the light so you can plug your phone in or other things at night. You do have controls here right on the headboard so you can control the lights in the room. You can cut the lights off. You can also cut a light on that's back here right behind the bed, which I like. So you can always cut that on at night to get into bed and then cut it off once you're in the bed. You also have a TV that's mounted just at the foot of the bed, which is nice. You can lay in bed and watch TV. You'll notice just up above the bed there is the vent for the air conditioner, which I really like because you do feel like you get that cold air blowing over you at night, which I particularly enjoy. So right over here we have a sofa in the cabin. This sofa actually adjusts to make a twin size bed. Of course, you're also provided with, this room has 2 Carnival towels which you can take to the beach or to the pool. Over here you have a pretty large, substantial area here to work with. It looks very clean and modern, and there's a light here that you can turn on so that you can use while you're getting ready to go out for elegant night or to go out for dinner or whatever activities you are partaking in on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Down here below there is a seat that pulls out. The seat's kind of tough to pull out at first on the carpet. You can actually take the lid off of this though, and you have more storage. So it is nice that Carnival has thought of this extra storage opportunity for you if you have, you want to put shoes or clothes or something like that in here and save yourself some space on the floor in the stateroom. You can also flip this over and have yourself a nice tray if you want to sit on the couch and have drinks while you watch TV or something like that. So it's really cool how they've made this what's supposed to be a little seat, something you can sit on the couch and prop your legs up on. You can just sit here at the vanity. Any number of things you can do with this here. Also here on the vanity / desk, you have a lot of different inputs. You have 4 USB inputs and you have 3 electric outlets. Speaking of electric outlets, I know it's very popular to ask if they have hair dryers in the room, and they absolutely do. Here's a brand new one in this bag here in the second drawer. A lot of drawer space here. For the inaugural season, they're actually giving out these Mardi Gras inaugural season books and inaugural season lanyards, so that was nice to see in the room when I got here. They also have provided a couple of bottles of water in the staterooms. These you do have to pay for. They're $3.95 per bottle, but these are 1.5 liters. Then they also have shelving up here, so if you want to put some things, maybe you've bought mementos in the ports as you've sailed along and you want to put those up to display in your room, plenty of space for that. Now down here below there is a mini fridge, so you can put in any bottles of wine you might bring back from the restaurants just to keep your water cool. Maybe you brought sodas on board. It stays pretty cool in here. And down here in the bottom you can actually adjust the temperature of the mini fridge. Now heading out to the best part of this standard balcony room, the balcony itself. You'll notice that on the Carnival Mardi Gras, the room actually has a sliding French door instead of having the loud door that bangs shut and swings shut like they have on most of all their other ships. One thing to note about this door is that the air conditioning is controlled by the door being open or closed. So if the door is in the locked position like this, the air conditioner will stay on. However, once you open it and the door is able to be slid open, the air conditioning in the room will shut off. So if you sit out on the balcony and leave your door open, it will get warm in your room very quickly because the air conditioning is going to cut off. Stepping out onto the balcony, it is about the standard size of a balcony on a Carnival ship. They do have different chairs this time. I do like the look of these. They're a little bit different than those gaudy blue chairs that Carnival typically has on their balcony. There's also a little white table here. And then looking off, we're currently in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. This is the 15th floor, so there's only 2 floors above me. I am forward on the ship on the port side, so you can see the bridge up there. It's one deck up above, and then up above the bridge up there is actually one of the presidential Excel suites, one of the most expensive rooms here on the Carnival Mardi Gras. But beautiful views, of course, from this balcony stateroom. I love the look and feel of the balcony. I like how everything is white. It gives it a very clean look, a very modern look. On older Carnival ships, this was wood. So this is a very nice touch. This is all white. It's all fresh and clean. So we'll step back into the cabin now, and we'll close the door so that the air conditioning will cut on. And then one more thing to show you. Well, of course, you have the child safety lock up here. You can twist to lock and unlock. So if you have small children, you don't want them getting out on the balcony, you can twist this so that the door won't open. You have to actually twist it back so that the door will unlock. You, of course, have a curtain. You can pull the shades back. Maybe you want to take a nap during the day. I like to keep them closed at night so the sun doesn't wake me up early in the morning. But very nice shades. These are brand new, so it's nice. They're not ripped. They're not torn. A lot of times on older ships, these will be hanging by just threads at the top. So it's nice. These are nice, new and fresh. And then here is one more reading light if you want to sit on the couch perhaps and read a book. Maybe you're sleeping here on the couch that this bed makes. You have a light. There is no USB on this light. So that completes this review of a standard balcony cabin here on the Carnival Mardi Gras. This is Deck 15. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I invite you to please subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more Carnival Mardi Gras content coming to the channel very soon. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next adventure.